beautiful Momshies! Today's vlog episode is a review of a Filipino-made product. If you want to know, continue watching. Before I will say anything about the product, let me share to you a little bit of the story of my hair. I've been using flat iron as well as rebonding my hair and using hair blow dry. So I noticed that my hair is not anymore that shiny. So I need to use this product to give it a little life. So before sharing the review of this product, let me share to you the ingredient of this product. So it says here that it contains premium sunflower seed oil. So it's really a guarantee that this product is organic and it is safe to use even for children, young at heart, and for kids alike. So it is safe, it is chemical free, paraben free, so it's really organic. And how to use this product, it also says here that you just gently massage on the skin. You can use this day and night, or apply half a pump all over your hair for its shiny effect or shiny glow. So like this, just and then gently massage it on the palm of your hair and put it lightly on your beautiful hair. And you can also use this sa eyebrows, ato ang pillow, and you can also use this as a highlighter or a lip balm because this is very safe. But I've been hearing a lot of reviews about this product that it is also good to put underarm, to put it in our armpit. So I tried using it also for 3 weeks. But sad to say, this is really an honest review. I'm not saying negative about human heart nature because I love human heart nature. Although using it underarm is not that effective para sa ako but maybe to others who have different skin type and different pH sa ako maybe this will work to them. So I'm not discouraging you to not use it, but I'm encouraging you to use it. Maybe it will be effective sa inyong skin. So I will share to you my armpit karon lang taon-taon after I will say about my review. Pabutang na ako sa akong armpit. So na-notice na ako, although dili gyud dark ako ang armpit, but there is naalang siya mga lines sa tunga in the middle of my armpit. Pero paggamit, when I use this product, nag-darken na siya, even if dili gyud dark ako ang armpit. Pero not so dark because mga 3 weeks pa man ko na-try sa iya. So I'm not discouraging you, but this is very effective sa atuang hair, sa eyebrow, sa pillow, sa atuang as a lip balm, and as a moisturizer sa atuang kamot and to our elbows, and kung asa nimo gusto ibutang sa atuang skin, pwede rin siya. But this is an honest review sa akong underarm nga dili siya daghan ko nag-ingon nga this is also nice para sa underarm kay it whitens the underarm. But for me it was not that effective using it under my armpit. So karon I will show to you the results. So this is my armpit now. There's a little line there. And nag-dark na siya diha nga part. So the other side, also like that, there is dark na diha. Ano siya after using na, wala man na siya. It was clear then, na diha nga part. So, muna siya kong armpit. Ulaw kayo guys, but this is really an honest review on my part. But I discovered something new, and I tried this just yesterday. And this product is Deonat deodorant stick. So I just tried this just yesterday. I will make a follow-through video after 2 weeks from now. What is the effect of this Deonat deodorant stick sa ako ang underarm. So, this is my underarm now using the Human Heart Nature Sunflower Beauty Oil. So, maybe after 2 weeks of using this Deonat, maputi din siya. Kaingon sila makaputi daw gano'n siya. So, I'll be reviewing that Deonat tawas 2 weeks from now. So, I hope wala ka mo na-discourage about using the Human Heart Nature Sunflower Beauty Oil because this is really cheap and this is also organic and this is Filipino made. So, support local products.